Completing your UCAS application. UCAS applications can be completed over time. You do not have to complete the entire application in one sitting. We strongly recommend that you start your application as soon as possible and that you request your predicted grade and academic reference as soon as you have passed the assignment at your course halfway point. As noted in our policies, we require 10 working days to provide a predicted grade and/or an academic reference. We cannot guarantee to provide predicted grades or academic references in less than 10 working days when the UCAS deadline is approaching. If you will not have the relevant number of units of your course completed and the assignments passed by the 31st of December, you're advised to apply independently through UCAS using an appropriate personal referee to support your application. We will then be able to provide an academic reference to your chosen universities later in the application cycle, but only when you've completed the minimum number of units required. The UCAS Hub. From the main UCAS website, select Create your UCAS Hub. You will then be asked a series of questions that you need to answer in order to set up your account. Once you've set up your account, you will see your dashboard. This will give you access to lots of information about university and degree choices, options to attend virtual open days or chat with students who are already at the university, and other useful information. It is from the dashboard you will also be able to complete your UCAS application form. You must register as an individual. To start your application, from your UCAS Hub dashboard, click on Your Applications and then press Start or Continue Application. You'll then be asked to complete a form. Make sure you select Yes, then the exact option for learndirect that is shown in the image. Other addresses for learndirect are not relevant for academic exams. You will then be in the application area of the UCAS Hub. First, select your university or college choices. Fill these in and save. If you're still unsure about whether you wish to apply, you are able to continue your search from your Hub dashboard. You're permitted to apply for up to 5 different choices. Now you need to complete all remaining sections of your profile. Remember, they don't all have to be completed in one sitting. Once you have completed each section of your profile, you must save it and tick to mark the section as complete. Any errors will be flagged automatically by the UCAS system so that you can go back and make the necessary amendments if they are needed. The list on the left-hand side of your application will highlight each complete section in green and with a tick so that you can easily see which sections are left to fill in. When it comes to completing the education section of your form, you must include all of your existing qualifications that contribute to the university entry requirements. To add qualifications you are currently studying, complete the form shown below, making sure to select learndirect as your place of study. Leave the centre number blank. From the qualifications shortlist, select the qualifications you are studying. If you're taking the international version of your subject, IGCSE or IA level, you must stipulate this on the form, and you must type international in full as shown in the image. The exam board will be either AQA or Pearson edXL. This is in Unit 2 of your course. There is no need to add individual modules. Personal statement. Please take time to review the support available on the ucas.com website. When you have filled in all sections of your application form, including the predicted grades and academic statement from us for each subject, please check the details you have entered correctly. Proofreading and spell checking are extremely important. Then, make sure each section has a green tick next to it and that there are no errors highlighting that you need to make changes to your application. When you are completely happy with your form, you must then submit it by pressing Review/Submit. If you need to make changes to your application once it has been submitted to UCAS, then you must contact UCAS directly, as we will not be able to make any changes for you. UCAS will advise you about how to make changes to your application. This only applies if your application has been fully processed and submitted to UCAS.